Girl, I done fucked up. Oh my gosh. I done stole from the job, girl. My boyfriend done cheated on me with a stripper. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I done got fired from my job. It's gonna be okay, girl. We'll get through that. Shoot, I'm stressed the fuck out and every damn thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know, bitch. Man, look here. I just need you to have my back, all right? I can't think straight. I can't think straight. Okay. Follow my lead. I'm going to hit you up, okay? Just follow my lead. All right.
911, what's your emergency?
Hi, I'm on Interstate 459, and there's just a kid walking by themselves.
Where on 459 are you?
Right now, I'm right next to the exit.
How old do the child look?
Like a toddler?
Do you mind if you stay and keep an eye on them?
Yeah,
And what is the child's race?
They're white.
Okay, and what about the gender of the child?
It's a boy.
And what is the child wearing?
A white shirt and a diaper. Now, I'm about 600 yards away, so that's about 6 football fields. So I can't tell whether it's the Huggies kind or the Pampers kind. But I'm just going to go with the Huggies.
Okay, ma'am. And what is your name?
Carlee Russell.
Okay. And the officer will be there in about 10 minutes, okay, Miss Russell?
Okay, thank you. What I gotta do? Okay, let me see. I gotta get this. I need my weed. Where the weed? Okay, I got my weed. Gotta get the white girl. What I do with the white girl? What did I do with the white girl? Okay, got my white girl. And I need my embalming fluid, okay? Embalming fluid, all right. So I got the embalming fluid. We got about 6 minutes right about now to do what I gotta do.
What's up, girl?
Sis,
What's up, girl?
girl, it is a whole baby out here on the highway.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Where you at?
Girl, out here on I-459. Are you okay?
You sure, girl?
Yes, are you okay? Can you hear me?
You sure, girl?
I ain't had no fucking embalming fluid today, bitch. Little boy. Girl, oh fucking lie.
Eat these cheeses. Eat these cheeses. Eat up. You gonna love, you gonna enjoy this. Eat these cheeses.
No, Jesus! No!
Now paint that bitch nails.
No! Can I at least choose the color, please?
No, it's black, bitch.
Carrot Top!
Cheese it. Cheese it. Cheese it.
Go cheese it.